3 practical tips to build confidence as a new WordPress freelancer. Tip number 1, start with small projects. Take on smaller, manageable tasks to build your portfolio and, more importantly, your confidence. It's okay to start small because every win, no matter the size, adds momentum. Tip number 2, use test projects. Before I started selling my freelance WordPress services, I built a handful of test projects for practice simply by reconstructing other famous websites. If you're still waiting for client work or want a confidence boost, create your own personal projects or redesign your own site to showcase your skills. This not only shows your capabilities, but also builds your confidence in your own abilities. Tip number 3. Remember, confidence comes from repetition. The more you build, even with every small step, the more prepared you'll feel for bigger clients and larger projects. Keep going and soon you'll be ready for absolutely anything.